What up? It's your boy D House over here at the Intuit Dome, filming another video. We got the pedestrian walkway. It's coming along just fine. Going to the parking structure. Pedestrian walkway going to the nice new parking structure they have for them for their basketball games. Stadium supposed to open it for the 2024-25 season. Now I'm gonna go under the bridge, pedestrian walkway. Get a good look at the Intuit Dome. They got the shields up for the sun. Looking good. They got it mostly covered up with the shields to protect it from the sun. This is the parking structure still. I don't know how many cars it holds, but it's pretty big. This is the other side of the pedestrian walkway. Going to the parking structure across the street from the Intuit Dome. Just wanted to come and make a quick video. Still have a lot of work. It may be about 80% done. Yeah, they're about 80% done with it and getting ready for next season. I don't know what that structure is right there. I don't know what that's going to be. But it's part of the pedestrian walkway. Looking good. It's coming along just fine. Airplanes going over, going to LAX. We got a couple of structures going on over here. Not sure what they are yet. Look like they have some writing on the top of one of the shields. Like I said, the pedestrian walkway look good. Coming on just fine. It's the Intuit Dome, new home of the Clippers. Intuit Dome, new home of the Clippers. Long prairie here with the traffic. That's Ciry right there at the light. Very fun to see them build this. You can see a little bit right there in the opening. I said we're here, I'm on Prairie. Just a little bit south of Ciry. Looking good, can't wait. What up? It's your boy D House in the building over here at the Intuit Dome. I want to get a video, a couple pics. It's opening in 2024 for the 24-25 season. So it's about 80 to 85% done. so ready for it. I know the city of Inglewood is ready, or just Clipper fan, and Clipper fans are ready for it. So it's almost that time. So getting close to it. So like I said, I wanted to come through and shoot a video. Shot the video already. Took a couple of pics, and so I'll be posting on my YouTube channel, posted on Facebook. Holler back at your boy. Let me know what you think.